Today, Oppo has transferred the periscope telephoto and super light and shadow image engines to the Reno series, which has once again improved the portrait performance that the series is proud of, and still maintains the thin and light characteristics of the series. Let us take a closer look. Looking at this, it may be the first light flagship Reno 10 Pro Plus equipped with a periscope telephoto. Many photography enthusiasts should be able to get the essence of this sentence, which means that the main body of the photo should be prominent, in order to better convey the intention of the photographer. We all know the truth. The actual situation may be that if you take a step forward, you will stick to your face, and if you take a step back, you will not be able to highlight the subject, especially with the wide-angle and ultra-wide-angle lenses that are commonly equipped with phones. The composition space is very limited. In order to fit the telephoto lens module in the thin and light body of 8.28mm and 194 grams, Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus has made precise and special customization of glass prisms, optical lenses and focus motors, reducing the overall thickness of the periscope module by 0.96mm. The flagship parameters of 3x optical zoom, f2.5 large aperture and suspended prism anti-shake are realized. If you want to take a good telephoto shot, in addition to the quality of the lens, you have to have a big enough base. Reno 10 Pro Plus is also equipped with a 64-megapixel OV6 outsole sensor, which may be the best and only outsole periscope telephoto in its class. In addition to this flagship telephoto lens, the main camera of Reno 10 Pro Plus is equipped with a Sony 50-megapixel IMX890 sensor, supports optical image stabilization and f1.8 large aperture, and has an equivalent focal length of 24mm. Ultra-wide-angle lens. It is an 8-megapixel sensor with a viewing angle of 112 degrees, and an equivalent focal length of 16mm. The front camera uses a 32-megapixel Sony IMX709 sensor, and supports autofocus. On the whole, the sensitivity is very sensitive, the light and shade are well proportioned, and it will not be too dark in the dark, but reflects the most realistic and natural color. Whether it is black and white or color-proof, it can reflect a full and bright color. And the dynamic range is also very deep and wide. As for the night scene, thanks to the f2.5 large aperture and ultra-low reflective optical coating of Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus, the night scene proofs are well lit, the details are described very thoroughly. The highlights that are most difficult to deal with in major light flagship phones are also suppressed very well, and the overall building is more three-dimensional, with almost no noise. However, Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus makes full use of the hardware algorithm to make the characters full of expressiveness. The light and shadow are well proportioned, and the space is full of depth. That is to say, shooting in portrait mode can make the blur between the characters and the background more realistic. Different levels of sense and gradual sense. When shooting against the light, Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus can separate the characters from the background imaging system, and first illuminate the characters from the front, to make the outline of the characters clear. As a model positioned as a light flagship, the configuration of Reno 10 Pro Plus is also a proper quasi-flagship level. The core hardware adopts the Snapdragon 8 Plus platform, equipped with 16 gigs LPDDR5 memory and UFS 3.1 flash memory, and there is also an image chip dedicated to improving image performance. Coupled with the ColorOS supercomputing platform, through the two core technologies of memory gene reorganization and renewing storage technology, it can continuously start 30+ applications, and has passed the 48-month long-term smooth certification of the Oppo Laboratory, which can guarantee a long-term smooth experience. A smooth experience is also inseparable from a good screen, and Reno 10 Pro Plus is equipped with the best screen in the Reno series. This 6.7-inch curved screen has a resolution of 2772 by 1240, 4 dynamic refresh rates, 45 Hz, 60 Hz, 90 Hz and 120 Hz, and a peak brightness of up to 1400 nits. It also supports 1.07 billion colors, HDR10+ and Oppo Photon Matrix display technology. It can accurately map the photon brightness recorded on the screen to the screen, and restore the most realistic light and shadow dynamics in the photos taken by the phone. We also use King of Glory to conduct a game test. In the extremely high frame rate and ultra-high resolution mode, excluding the external UI part, the average frame of the whole process was 121 frames, and the frame stabilization index was as low as 0.4. The performance was very good, and the actual look and feel was very high definition. Smooth, and the frame rate curve is also very smooth. The most important temperature performance is also very gratifying. With the isolation of the glass back panel, there is basically no heat generation. In order to ensure a long-lasting smooth experience, Reno 10 Pro Plus is also equipped with a 4700 mAh long-life large battery, and a long-life version of 100-watt super flash charge. According to our actual measurement data, it only takes 27 minutes to charge from 1 to 100%, and 27% of charge can be recovered in 5 minutes. As a light flagship, Oppo Reno 10 Pro Plus has the only periscope telephoto at this price. Coupled with the outsole sensor and Oppo's original super light and shadow image engine, its portrait performance is very good, and it is difficult to find image strength at this level rivals who can match it. In addition, the appearance and hardware configuration of Reno 10 Pro Plus are also online, especially the detailed configuration of NFC, infrared remote control and stereo dual speakers. In general, the overall user experience of Reno 10 Pro Plus is not inferior to high-end flagships at all. Compared with the generally thicker flagship phones, it is thinner and more stylish. I believe that the entry point of Reno will definitely win the hearts of many people. What do you think about new phone? Write your opinion in the comments. Have a nice day and see you soon.